In this video, I'm going to share 5 ways that you can make money on Wealthy Affiliate. So you can use the link in the description to get started completely for free. They have a free plan, no credit card required, and let's get started. The first way to make money on Wealthy Affiliate is to offer writing services to other Wealthy Affiliate members. So once you use the link in the description to create a free account, then you can actually access the portal and you can actually connect with people on their community, and you can start writing blogs, and you can start sharing your services that other people in the Wealthy Affiliate program might be willing to pay you for. So this is similar to sites like Fiverr, where people will charge you a certain amount of money to write, articles and blogs and YouTube scripts and all sorts of stuff. So you can offer those services to your fellow Wealthy Affiliate colleagues. And so maybe someone has a blog that they need someone to write content for, and you can offer those services. Now, another way is kind of similar, which is to offer coaching and consulting. So if you're a more experienced person on Wealthy Affiliate, like I'm a starter, for example, but there are people that are elite and they've been on this platform for years and they have tons of experience. In that case, they can offer coaching and consulting for beginners like myself, and they can make a pretty decent amount of money. Now, another way you can make money with Wealthy Affiliate is by creating thumbnails for YouTubers. So a lot of people on Wealthy Affiliate are also running YouTube channels, and so you can actually offer to create thumbnails for them for, $5 or $10 a piece, or it could go all the way up to hundreds of dollars per thumbnail if you're really skilled at it. So this is similar to sites like Fiverr, where people also offer their services to create YouTube thumbnails, and the price ranges depending on the quality and the number of reviews that you have. But you can offer this directly to your colleagues on Wealthy Affiliate. Now, another way to make money with Wealthy Affiliate, and this is one of the most famous ways, is with promoting the Wealthy Affiliate program as an affiliate. So you can become an affiliate for Wealthy Affiliate, and so anytime someone signs up and they upgrade to Premium or Premium Plus, then you can earn a pretty substantial commission, which is around 50%. So you can see that as you start referring more and more people, if you create content and you're getting views every single day organically, then some of those people will click your links and they'll sign up. And then some of those people will upgrade to the Premium and Premium Plus memberships. And so you'll earn a recurring commission every single month for as long as they say subscribed. So they have lifelong cookies, which means even if someone buys something 5 years after you referred them, you'll still earn the commission. And lastly, this is the way that Wealthy Affiliate teaches, is making money by creating a niche website. So you can actually use the Wealthy Affiliate free plan to learn about this, and you can create a website, you can get your own domain. It's all included in the platform, and they'll actually teach you how to set up the groundwork and how to actually rank your website so you can start earning affiliate commissions. So those are 5 different ways that you can make money with Wealthy Affiliate. I hope you found this useful, and you can use the link in the description to try Wealthy Affiliate for free.